everyone, I heard there was a hack restart. Hey, you're back with Izzy, and I heard there was a baking hack that if you took a bag of cake mix, half a cup of oil, and 2 eggs, that it would make cookies. So today I'm going to be trying it out. I'm going to be using a chocolate cake mix, and now I'm just going to pour that into my bowl. I'm going to add half a cup of oil into that, and 2 eggs. I'm going to stir that up. Now that my batter is all mixed together, I'm going to add some chocolate chips into it just to give it some extra flavor. Now I'm just going to fold in my chocolate chips. That should feel really good.
All right, here's the official taste test.
Just got a chocolate chip. Okay, now I have a baking pan with a sheet of parchment paper. Now I'm going to roll them into tablespoon size cookies. Now that all of my cookies are, my oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna now pop my double chocolate cookies into the oven, and I'm gonna put them in for about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, I'm now gonna be taking out my double chocolate chip cookies out of the oven. They look delicious. Now I'm going to wait for them to cool before I eat them. Now my double chocolate chip cookies have came out of the oven and cooled. Now it's time for the taste tests. Yummy! Delicious! Thanks for watching this video.